Quick and delicious coffee cake recipe. Easy homemade coffee cake. Hey there, fellow baking enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a treat for you that's perfect for those cozy mornings or any time you're craving a delightful sweet treat, a quick and delicious coffee cake. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to create a moist and flavorful coffee cake that pairs perfectly with your favorite cup of coffee. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup brown sugar, packed, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, room temperature, 1/2 cup sour cream, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, cinnamon streusel topping, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, cold and cubed. Instructions: preheat and prep. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease an 8-inch square baking pan and line it with parchment paper for easy removal. Make the streusel topping. In a bowl, combine the flour, granulated sugar, brown sugar, and ground cinnamon for the streusel topping. Add the cold, cubed butter and use a pastry cutter or your fingers to work the butter into the dry ingredients until you have a crumbly mixture. Set aside. Prepare the cake batter. In a mixing bowl, cream together the room temperature butter, granulated sugar, and packed brown sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Stir in the sour cream and vanilla extract. Mix dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Combine wet and dry mixtures. Gradually add the dry ingredient mixture to the wet mixture, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, a few lumps are okay. Layering. Pour half of the cake batter into the prepared baking pan. Spread it evenly using a spatula. Sprinkle a generous layer of the cinnamon streusel topping over the batter. Gently press the streusel into the batter. Add remaining batter and streusel. Pour the remaining cake batter over the streusel layer, spreading it carefully. Top the batter with the remaining streusel mixture, ensuring an even coverage. Bake. Place the pan in the preheated oven and bake for 30–35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The streusel topping should be golden brown. Cool and serve. Once baked, remove the coffee cake from the oven and allow it to cool in the pan for about 15 minutes. Then, carefully lift it out using the parchment paper and transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Once cooled, slice into squares and enjoy. And there you have it, a quick and delicious coffee cake that's bound to become a family favorite. The moist cake layers and the irresistible cinnamon streusel topping are a match made in dessert heaven. Remember to pair it with a freshly brewed cup of coffee for the ultimate treat. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a delectable recipe. Thanks for tuning in, and happy baking! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.